Wow. On, off, on, off. The second one, on, off. They can never be the same. As you can see, they can never be the same. On, off, on. Other one. Hi guys, you see your guy Rokaman Creative. See what we have here. This is MBC breaker. So now this is the on part, while this is the offing part. So we are going to connect it to this cable here. This is our service cable here. So please don't forget to like, share my video, Rokaman Creative. So this is our pattress. I want to insert this cable inside here. But as you can see, it cannot enter. So what you do is that you use your plier to peel out this side. Okay, as you can see now, it's perfectly well done. Perfectly well done. Now you pass your cable this way, but before then you need to nail this at your board here. Okay, now this is our surface wire cable, as you can see. So this is positive and this other is negative. So we are going to connect this our positive to our MBC breaker and negative as well. Nail this here. Okay, let me nail this here, but before I nail this, I've got to insert my lamp holder here, and this is the lamp holder. So I'll put it here and connect it direct. So now what I'm going to do now, we're going to remove the insulated part. We're going to remove the insulated part of it here. As you can see, I've already removed the insulated part of it. Now, negative and positive. Now in this terminal here, we got to separate. We have to cut the negative wire here. As you can see it here. Now this is our lamp holder. Still the same, because see, here is also labeled. Here is also labeled negative and positive, L and N. I hope you guys are seeing it. We are not focusing on that. Now, if you notice here now, here is quite plain, but if you notice here, you find out that something like gallop, this place, they make it for if you want to for you to pass cable. You open this side. That's the extent of that thing you see here there. As you can see. taking it two places. So this is for the down here, and I need another one to be side of it. Now this we go, and the other one we go. So look at that thing. Okay, let me just lose this one. So let's see. So let me show you what I'm doing. Okay. Now as you can see, these two is going here. As you can see now, we will just connect. This one is going to our supply, and this, the neutral, as you can see, is being cut. It's supposed to be straight, but I didn't cut it. I cut it, so just connect it to our lamp holder. I want to use it, let it don't have junction box. Okay, and the second terminal to the same thing. Our lamp holder, you see it. I hope you guys saw it. As you can see, this one is positive, it's moving direct. This one is entering the switch. So the negative here from the supply of negative is being cut and joined directly. As you can see, this one now is going this way. This is entering your supply, and this is going to your switch. So let's cut the switch parts. I hope you guys understand what I did here. So this is for the switch. This is our supply. Let's connect our supply. You see, we are done with our supply. Now let's use our screw to hold it. Okay, this is our switch. Now look at the switch you are using here. So we are going to use these two switch to control this bulb. Now, as you can see, these are positive and negative. Positive and negative, we go to your com. The two positive and negative will come to your con and con. Why this W1, W2 or LO1, LO2, LO1, LO2 will be connected the same. Now this is our cable here. We are trying to connect the L1 and L2. So now let's remove the insulated part of it. Please don't forget to like my video. It's still your guy Rokaman Creative. Please, I beg you, please share the video so that people can learn, or that people can see it and learn how to do this by themselves. I'm trying to use two color codes so that you will understand what I'm saying. Now let's lose it. Mind you, this is two different switch. This is two pole switch, not one. You can see this is two pole switch, not one. So this is our black. Our black is going to our LO1 here. I've entered our LO1. Now I will take you to our second switch, LO1. Go to my video. I've already go to my page. I've already make a video on how switch work. Now as you can see, it's already done. So the LO2, I'm using red for it. The LO2, as you can see, is going to our second LO2 here. I hope you guys understand what I'm doing here. Please, anything you don't understand, just say into the comment section. Or if you love what I'm doing, please help me and share the video. I hope you guys can see it properly. Now what is left now is already left with com and com here. So this com and com now, this cable you see here now, that's coming directly from your switch. You will connect it here, either the live here, neutral here, or you connect the neutral here, live here. Now look at it here. As you can see, now let's connect the second part of it. See what happened here. I hope you guys see it. So up. This is our bulb here. Let's insert it. Now we are good to go. Wow, as you can see it, guys, as you can see it, let's test our work. Wow. On, off, on, off. The second one, on, off. They can never be the same. As you can see, they can never be the same. On, off, on. Other one is down. If you want to off it, you trigger it up. If you want to on it, you trigger it up. I'm still Welcome Back Creative. Please, guys, click on the like button and share my video.